Master the verbal reasoning section of the GRE. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into the verbal reasoning section of the GRE. If you're looking to conquer this crucial part of the test, you're in the right place. Let's decode it step by step. The verbal reasoning section of the GRE assesses your ability to 1. Analyze and draw conclusions from discourse. 2. Identify author's assumptions and/or perspective. 3. Understand and interpret the meanings of words, sentences, and entire texts. This section is not just about your vocabulary. It's about comprehending complex ideas and reasoning from what you read. In the verbal reasoning section, you'll encounter three main types of questions. 1. Reading comprehension. These are questions based on passages. You'll need to understand the content, infer from it, and identify the main ideas or concepts. 2. Text completion. Here, you'll get sentences with one or more blanks. Your job is to select the best words or phrases to complete the sentences in a way that makes sense and is grammatically correct. 3. Sentence equivalence. This type involves a single sentence with one blank. You'll have to select two options that can both independently complete the sentence, giving it the same overall meaning. 1. Expand your vocabulary. Familiarity with a wide range of words will be an asset. However, remember that understanding context is key. 2. Practice active reading. Don't just passively go through texts. Ask questions, make notes, and summarize what you've understood. 3. Time management. The GRE is a timed test. You'll have limited time for each question. Practice pacing yourself. 4. Eliminate incorrect choices. Sometimes, figuring out what's wrong is easier than finding the right answer. Use the process of elimination. 5. Stay calm and focused. It's easy to get overwhelmed, but remember, with consistent practice, you can improve your scores. The verbal reasoning section of the GRE might seem daunting, but with the right approach and consistent preparation, it's a challenge you can overcome. Remember, it's not just about knowing the words but understanding their meaning and context. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll master the verbal reasoning section in no time. Best of luck, and happy studying!